What's going on, guys? Zach Storm Chaser here. Welcome to another Twisted video. Right now, we're going to intercept a wedge tornado hitting Wadena right now. Currently, a tornado emergency on the storm. We're going to see if we can honestly intercept this tornado. I think it's going to pass us. Yeah, it's going to pass us, thankfully. This tornado is huge. Listen to the roar. Oh my. I'm gonna get my probe and I'll upload a video. This is part of the video actually, so I'll keep you guys posted. What's going on, guys? Zach Storm Chaser here. Welcome to another Twisted video once again. Currently we got a higher risk, a 45% SIG 3 tornado risk. Temperatures 85 Fahrenheit, dew point 70 Fahrenheit, Cape 4,702 joules per kilogram, WAP 1.4 inch, very rain wrapped tornadoes, super tornado parameters of 12, violent tornado parameters of 3. Pretty good hodograph. Storm is moving 59 degrees northeast at 70 miles per hour. Really volatile environment today with EF4 plus tornadoes in the 45 SIG 3 and also the 30% SIG 3. And also there's a 15%, 10%, 5%, and 2% tornadoes as well. Somewheres in the region. I don't know where, but they should do an update like that. But let's get straight into the video and we'll keep you guys updated when storms. Right now, guys, we're driving to Prior Lake, so I'm gonna cut the video until we get to Prior Lake. So currently, right now, guys, we are heading to Hazelton. We changed our mind. Really nice rope tornado off to our northeast, honestly. Really nice tornado going off the map right now. And we're heading to Hazelton, so we'll keep you guys updated once we get to Hazelton. Damage in Hazelton. A large tornado came through Hazelton. Top of the tower is missing. The top up there. Large destructive tornado definitely came through here. Not good, guys. Not good at all. Hey guys, sad update. This gas station is almost completely gone. This is most likely EF3, EF4 damage. Hazelton's mostly all destroyed. Likely an EF4 plus tornado came through here. Not good for Hazelton. Send prayers and donate some money to Hazelton. Mike is currently chopping down trees right now, so vehicles can get by. So yeah, that's good. Oh, not good. A fatality. There's got to be at least like 60 or less fatalities in this tornado. Hopefully there's no more. Yo, what's good? Right here, guys, we have an EF4 damage indicator. Not good for Hazelton. Update, guys, we currently have a storm that just formed and it just got dark over Hazelton, so yeah, we're gonna head to the storm right now. Keep you guys posted on this. Realistically, right now, guys, we're heading to the storm, so we'll keep you guys posted once we get to the storm. Right now, guys, there's currently rotation at the moment right now, and we're heading towards the rotation where the hook is. So once we see some rotation, then it's game on. Currently, right now, I can see the wall cloud off to the west right now, and we're heading towards it. So once we get closer, we see a tornado or a scud cloud, we'll keep you guys posted. Currently, guys, we have a funnel dropping down. As you guys can kind of see, the trees are in the way, but there's a funnel dropping down at the moment right now. Yeah, you guys can see the funnel now. There's a funnel actually dropping down. There's a condensating low tornado dropping down on the ground right now. It might be going for Prior Lake, so we may sit here, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. Right now, the tornado is actually strengthening and getting stronger. It's a pink TVS at the moment right now. This is not good if this goes towards Hibben or Prior Lake, populated area. White pixels! Not good. This might drop a big bowl to the ground, the tornado. Oh, vortices! Violent tornado! Violent tornado! 45, 59, 75, 108, 133, 174, 197, 200, 229, 258. Yo! That was crazy! Doing damage! Damage! Major damage! Right now, guys, I got 258 miles per hour on my probe. Doing damage to Prior Lake. Mike, you left me. 258 miles per hour, guys. That's great. Currently, guys, this is EF4 damage right now. That house that Mike just rated right over there. Now we gotta see how much this is. Not for the winds, but what rate it is. Another EF4 damage indicator. Two of them, one there, and then the house right over across. So keep you guys posted on this house here. There might be EF4 damage as well. That one was EF4. This one looks like EF3, EF4. Alright, so this one right here that Mike just rated is currently an EF4. High-end EF4, 200 miles per hour. 1 mile per hour short from an EF5. Now, he's going to damage survey this one, so we'll keep you guys posted on this house's damage as well. Also, this one was high-end EF4, 200 miles per hour. 1 mile per hour short from an EF5. Currently, right now, guys, we're going towards Starbuck right now, towards that tornado. So we'll keep you guys posted on that tornado. And there is a little mini rope tornado dropping down at the moment right now. Potentially might be a wedge in its lifetime pretty soon. So keep you guys posted on that. That tornado we're heading to right now is quite strong. Going for potentially Starbuck, but it might go to the south side of Starbucks. So we'll see what happens once we get down there. So keep you guys posted. We got a tornado off to the west, and a wedge tornado off to the east, and another tornado off to the east. The stovepipe. A wedge and the stovepipe off to the east. And a funnel touching on the ground right now. Pretty large cone stovepipe tornado at the moment right now. Touching on the ground, going for Starbuck potentially. And we're almost at Starbuck at the moment right now. I can see the bridge. And yeah, that tornado's getting huge. So we'll keep you guys posted on that. As you guys can see, we're crossing the bridge right now. Hopefully the tornado doesn't hit the bridge, because we would be screwed, because we'd be stuck on this side of the town. And I don't think we'll be able to get out of here at all either, if this happens, if the bridge gets hit. So we're just going to pull over off to the side and watch the tornado from right here, see if it's coming through town or not. I think it's coming through town right about... I'm not sure where, but it's gonna come through town. I think it's about to come through town. Right about here. So I can drop down the hammer probe and go. Drop down another hammer probe, go. We're not gonna die today. Go, 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 go. I hear damage. Large tornado. 88. 217 miles per hour. We're lucky we got out of there. 217 miles per hour on my second probe. Not good at all. Doing major damage to Starbuck. Not good, not good. 2 EF5 tornadoes caught on camera today. First one, 258 miles per hour. Now, second one to 217 miles per hour. That is crazy, guys. Oh my. So this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace, Zach Storm Chaser, and have a great night.